क्या हुआ?
अरे यार दीदी देखो ना यार, सब कॉलेज में मेरा मजाक उड़ाते हैं मेरी नाक को लेकर।
If you need surgery, you need SurgeryXchange. Let me show you. So, it's pretty simple. Just open SurgeryXchange website either on your laptop or mobile devices and get to know about your surgery. First, scroll down the kind of surgery you want to go through. So, your surgery is the nose wound. So, from the types, you just find out the surgery that is cosmetic rhinoplasty and study about it. You will get to know in detail about the surgery and the kind of treatment you go through. Then if you're sure about going for the surgery, just go ahead and search for prices. Here the prices will be compared of different kind of hospitals and you will be able to get the lowest prices or the kind of hospitals you want to go ahead with. If you're sure about the prices now and if you're still unsure about the surgery, whether you require the surgery or not, just